If your garage door won't open during a power outage, knowing how to use the manual release cord and having a battery backup can save you a ton of hassle. Alright, so first off, every garage door opener has this manual release cord that you can pull to disconnect the door from the opener, letting you open it by hand. It's usually a red cord hanging down near the door mechanism. Make sure you know where it is before you actually need it, because in a blackout, fumbling around is the last thing you want. Next, check if your garage door is balanced. If it's too heavy or unbalanced, it'll be super hard to lift manually. Also, keep the tracks clean and lubricated so the door moves smoothly when you pull that cord. Now, for avoiding all this pain in the first place, installing a battery backup system is clutch. It keeps the opener running even when the power's out. If you're not into DIY, lots of pros can install these backups quickly and safely. Another tip is to test these backups regularly, like every few months, so you're not caught off guard. Lastly, make sure your garage door springs are in good shape, because weak springs make manual opening a nightmare and can be dangerous. One of the biggest problems people face with garage doors during power outages is not knowing about or forgetting that manual release cord exists. The fix? Label it clearly and practice pulling it a few times when the power is on. Another common issue is ignoring battery backups. Folks often think they are expensive or complicated, but there are affordable models that anyone can install or have installed pretty easily. Lastly, a lot of people forget to maintain their garage doors. Springs get rusty or cables fray, making manual operation risky. Regular checkups and professional tune-ups keep everything safe and easy to handle when the electricity goes out. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for helping homeowners find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff when it comes to home repairs like garage doors. Plus, if you're a contractor looking to score more jobs, BigHomeProjects.com connects you with people ready to get work done, making it a win-win for everyone.